fractions. In grade 6, we learned about fractions. Share with your friends what you remember about fractions that you learned in grade 6. So you should remember what you learned in grade 6. So we are going to do what we call combined operation involving fractions. Combined, this is what we used to call body mass, whereby the first one stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That's what we call combined operations in fractions. So in fractions, you must ensure you follow this body mass so that you can get the correct answer. Let's look at this example here. 1/8 divided by a half. 1/8 divided by a half times 5/8 times 5/8, open bracket, 1/4 minus 1/5. 1/4 minus 1/5. So for you to get this one correct, you need to use the word body mass, where you need first to do the bracket. To deal with the bracket, you get the answer of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So let's start with the brackets. So here brackets, we get the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 20 goes to 4 5 times. 5 times 1, that is 5. Minus 5 goes to 24 times 1, 4. 5 minus 1, that is 1/20. So from the bracket, what we have is 5/20. There's addition here. Hapa kuna kuongeza hapa. Correct. Next, now we recopy that this is 1/8 divided by 1/2 times 5/8 plus now what we have from the brackets, which is 1/20. Next, we go to off. We have finished this. We don't have off. Next one is division. We are at division. So division is this 1/8 divided by a half. So in fractions, when you divide, it is the same as you multiply the reciprocal of the second, like this. So 1/8 divided by 1/2 is equal to 1/8 times, you reciprocate, you change this one. Denominator comes up and the numerator comes down, times 2/1. So this is the same as here 1, here 4, and that is 1/4. Now we are finished with the division. Now let's copy. The first answer we have here is 1/4 times 5/8 plus 1/20. Now the next one is multiplication. This is multiplication. Now 1/4 times 5/8. 1 times 5, 5. 4 times 8, 32. Now next, it is 5/32 plus 1/20. You find the LCM there. Of 32 and 20, you can multiply directly. 32 times 20, which is 640. You can use 640. even 320 will work, 160 will work. So unachukua the least, take the least LCM, so we will take 160. How many times 160 goes to 32? 5 times. 5 times 5, 25. Minus, how many times 160 goes here? That is 160. You divide by 20, 8 times. So minus 8. So 25 minus 8, 17. So the answer is going to be 17 over 160. That is the final answer. For combined operations, perform operations within the bracket first, that is body mass brackets first, then followed by of, followed by division, multiplication, addition, and then finally subtraction. So let me do one example here, the one which one has done here. This one is 1 minus 1 over 3 1 over 3 minus 2 over 9 plus 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5 times 1 over 8 times 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 4. Now let's do step by step. Always write down the word body mass to remind you that the first one is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction finally. So why do we start? We don't have brackets, we do not have of, so we start from division. Now our division is here. We start there. So let's divide. I have told you when you are dividing 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 4, this is the same as 1 over 8. The number that you are dividing to, you multiply and then change the number into its reciprocal. 4 up, 1 down. That is 4 over 1. And this one here once, here twice. So the answer is 1 over 2, a half. Again, now you rewrite the expression. 1 over 3 minus 2 over 9. You need to be very careful so that you copy exactly what you are given. You don't copy your own things. Now multiply with the answer here, which is a half. That is the answer we obtained. Now from there, we go to multiplication. And our multiplication is here. Now there you multiply direct, you just cancel out. 2 here 1, 2 here twice. Now we again recopy 1 over 3 minus 2 over 9 plus the answer from multiplication, which is 2 over 5. Now next is addition. Next is addition from body mass. Remember, we are using body mass. Addition is next. We have finished multiplication, we go to addition. Addition, the first number and the last number are positive, so we do the positive. That is one method. From here, we can now carry out 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 because these are the positive numbers. This and this one. So we can do it 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5. The LCM is 15. 5 plus 3 times 6, which is 11 over 15. Then finally now, it is the number we have here is 11 over 15 minus 2 over 9. The LCM is 45. 45 goes to 15 3 times is 33 minus this goes to 45 5 times 2 10. The answer is 23 over 45. But you can, so I will do one last example here so that now we can move to something else. 2 over 3 2 over 3 minus 5 over 6 minus 5 over 6 divided by 2 1 over 5 divided by 2 1 over 5 2 1 over 5 times 3 over 4 plus 1 3 over 7. 2 1 over 5. 2 1 over 5. Now improper, a mixed fraction into improper. For you to subtract, you can let us do that. This times this 6 8. So this one is 8 over 3 minus 5 over 6. This is important, you can do that way. Divide by this times this 10 11. This times this 7 7 plus is 10 over 7. That's how we change a mixed mixed fraction into improper fraction. I think you know that from grade 6. Now from there we can use our body mass. So let's start with the brackets. We can subtract that. LCM is 6. 6 goes here 2 times, that is 2 times 8, 16 minus 6 goes here 1 time, that is 5. So 16 minus this, that one will be 11 over 6. Now 11 over 6 11 over 6 divided by 11 over 5 times 3 over 4 plus 10 over 7. Next is off, it is not there. Division is the next one. So next we do division. That is the next one. So 11 over 6 divided by 11 over 5, it is the same as 11 over 6 times the reciprocal 5 over 11. Now 11 and 11 cancels out once. We have 5 over 6 remaining. Now we write again. Now from division we have this answer. So 5 over 6 times 3 over 4 plus 10 over 7. Now next is multiplication from body mass. Multiplication is next. So we are going to multiply this and this. Now 5 over 6 times 3 over 4. 3 once, 3 here twice. So 5 times 1, 5 over 2 times 4, 8. And then finally plus 10 over 7. Find the LCM of 8 and 7. 50 what? 56. So 8 goes to 56, 7 times 5, 35. Plus 7 goes to 56, 80 times 10, 80. So you add 80, you plus 35 over 56. So you cannot leave the answer as 155 because 155 is very big over 56, so you rewrite it. You can divide it using the wrong method. You can say 115 divided by 56. Take 2, which is 12, 10. This is 12, 10, 11. 12, 10 plus 1, 11. This is 3 remaining. Therefore, the correct answer is 2, 3 over 56. That is the final answer. So there is an exercise for you. Work out these ones. That is your work. Now we are looking at operation on fractions in a real life situation. So let's look at this example here. Grade 8 learners ask you to name their preferred brand and of drinks as shown in the table. Orange 1 over 8, mango 1 over 5, pineapple with a fraction for lemon. A fraction is equal to 1. The total fractions, when you add all of fractions, the answer should be equal to 1. Now you add 1 plus this, what remains is what is the fraction for lemon. So you add 1 over 8 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6. Then 1 minus the answer here is what is for lemon. You can add so 1 over 8 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 is the total is 89 over 120. So what remains, the fraction remains for lemon is 1, the total 1 minus 89 over 120. So it is 120 minus 89, that's what remains. So this one will be 31 over 120. So in other words, we are saying if you have two fractions and there is another one, that is, if for example we had orange and mango and then pineapple. For orange, mango is 1 over 8 and we don't have for this one, and there are only 3 subjects here, 1, 2, 3. So to get the third one, you add the one you have been given and then you subtract from 1 because a fraction totals up to 1, a whole 1. Quinta bought this of rice. She cooked this of rice for her feaster. She then gave each of her 5 feasters this. Determine the amount of rice Quinta remained with. So amount of rice cooked we can get, she cooked 1/5 of that. So 1/5 of means multiplication. So you can change this one into improper fraction, into improper. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Then you multiply with 1/5, you get this is what was cooked. Now, then she shared, then she gave each 5 sisters 1/4. So 1/4 times 5, that is 1 over this. Now total cooked and given out. So she cooked 3/4 and gave the friends 1/4. So in total, the used rice is 2 kg. Now what remained? The total was 2/4. So you subtract 2 kg. What remained is 3/4 kilograms. Your exercise is here. Try to understand, read, and make sure you understand what you are being asked to do.